Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about transforming your bedroom with windows plants. If you have ever wanted to bring a bit of the outdoor inside, you are in for a treat. We will be sharing easy and fun decor ideas that anyone can try. Imagine your room filled with vibrant plants, creating a cozy and refreshing atmosphere. Whether you are a plant enthusiast or just starting out, these ideas are perfect for you. So, if you are ready to make your bedroom a green heaven, stick around. Let's dive into the wonderful world of bedroom decor with a touch of nature. Let's the plan party begin. Sill statement plants, those captivating green purchased right on your windowsill, instantly infusing your room with vibrant colors and lovely vibe. Lovely succulent cascading ivy or blossoming flower, creating that extra burst of charm. Choosing those plants is like inviting a piece of nature to cozy up in your space. Simple and delightful, it is like bringing the outdoors indoor effortlessly. So if you are looking to jazz up your room without breaking a sweat, those windows sill statement plants are your go-to solution. A pop of greenery is all it takes to transform your space into a refreshing heaven. Elevate your room is charmed by introducing hanging plant to your decor with macrame plant hangers or basic hooks. You can effortlessly transform your window into a charming hanging garden. Consider plants like cascading photos or spider plants. They not only enhance the visual appeal but also save valuable floor space. Imagine the cozy aesthetic vibe these plants can bring to your space, creating a smoothing and stylish atmosphere. Whether you are a plant enthusiast or a beginner, hanging plants add a touch of nature in a simple and elegant way. So why not take advantage of your window space and bring the beauty of nature indoors with these delightful hanging plants option? Let's talk about a useful and practical ideas. The functional herbs garden pictures work up to the delightful fragrance of fresh basil or mint right in your bedroom. Herbs not only bring a pleasant aroma but also serve a handy purpose in your kitchen for cooking. All your needs is a small planter box on your window sill to make this magic happen. It is like heaven your your own mini kitchen garden, easily accessible and right at your fingertips. Whether you are a cooking enthusiast or just love the ideas of having a fragrant herb oasis by your window, this simple addition can truly work wonders, enhancing both atmosphere of functionality of your space. If you love plants, why not transform your window legs into a mini jungle? It is a super easy, just mix and match different types of plants, vary their heights and texture for a lovely and vibrant display. This does not just look good, it also creates a natural backdrop for your room. Picture a variety of plant coexisting for all talls, leafy friends to smaller dedicated ones. It is like bringing a slick of the outdoor inside. This window legs jungle not only adds visual excitement but also gives your space a fresh and dynamic feel. Try it out and you will be amazed at how a simple arrangement of plants can turn your window into a captivating green heaven. Choosing plants based on sunlight is crucial for their well-being. Imagine your window as their kitchen window. They need it for energy. So when picking plants for your room, consider how much sunlight your windows gets. If it is a sunlight spot, go for those vibrant energy packed blooms. But if your window is a bit shy on sunlight, option for plants that enjoy a bit more shade. It like matching a plant's sunlight preference with the right room, a happy match for both you and your leafy friends. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more home decor inspiration. Thanks for turning in a happy decorating.